It's like it is not clear or what. It is lagging, Ada. My live stream is lagging. It's like we're having problem of network. Look. It is. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, okay. It is moving. Why this one is lagging or what? Let me check. Why is it lagging? This is lagging. The other one is good. Maybe it's from the phone. So let me show you how you can add attachment. For example, I have two hair. I have already divided the hair. I have already divided it. Let me hold this together again because I don't want it to distract this one I'm doing. Remove it from the way. Okay, let's just put it here. I just put it here so that it will not distract us. So, if you are learning, you can also use, because he has a lot of hairs, to bring the hair together. I use gel, a little bit. I will now add attachment. This is the extension. How to do it is, can you do it like this? How to do it is just if you take this like this, you put it there. As you are learning, put it here. Use this hand. Do as if you want to tie it. Then you divide this hair into three equal parts. You use this one, bring it here. Then use the other hand and bring it out. Yeah, I think that is how I can teach you. There are some people who do tie it, but I don't tie. Tying it is just like when you are going to lose it, it's gonna be hard for you. So this is the best way of doing it. So after you add the extension, then you begin to do the Bob Marley. This type of doing now. It is called Bob Marley. Yeah, you can know somebody that's called Bob Marley. I think it's from here he has that they got Bob Marley from something like I don't really know that. So we call it Bob Marley. There's another one they call twisting. That one is another way of making. So and so that is how it goes, just like this. So let me not to talk much, unless if you have a question. Great live stream. Thank you so much, Morgan. Thank you so much, Morgan. Thank you so much. Yeah, I think live stream is very nice. You don't need to edit anything, just come live. I love live stream, only that I don't have time. But video, you can make a lot of, you can make video. After editing video, it will take a lot of time to edit. After editing, you will now upload. After uploading, now you begin to a lot of things. So live stream is a little bit lighter. Yeah, this is better and easier. Okay, so that's the thing. Thank you so much for joining. If you are still watching to this extent, you are a wonderful member. God bless you really good. I don't know if you can see the down. So, okay. So thank you so much. So much. I really appreciate you for joining me. Mic, more mic I'm using. That is what is the problem is. Now I've removed the mic. Let me see what is gonna happen again. If I thought it's gonna work or not. It's working. So now it's working. I've removed the mic, more mic.